Introducing the Honor K70, a feature-rich performance smartphone designed for users who demand flagship-level capabilities without the hefty price tag. Blending sleek aesthetics with solid engineering, the K70 delivers an experience that rivals premium phones, making it one of the best value-for-money devices in 2025. At its core, the Honor K70 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, a highly efficient and capable processor built for smooth gaming, fluid multitasking, and intelligent AI-driven features. Whether you're playing demanding mobile games, streaming HD content, or switching between multiple apps, the K70 ensures lag-free performance with excellent thermal management and power efficiency. It also integrates Qualcomm's improved AI engine, allowing real-time enhancements to photography, voice recognition, and app responsiveness, giving users a smarter experience. The phone boasts a 6.78-inch FHD AMOLED display, featuring a high 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. With ultra-slim bezels and a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits, the screen offers exceptional clarity and color accuracy, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching movies, browsing social media, or gaming on the go, the vibrant display provides an immersive, flagship-like viewing experience. On the rear, the Honor K70 sports a powerful 108MP main camera, backed by Honor's advanced imaging algorithms, which enhance detail, clarity, and color balance. From low-light portraits to sweeping landscapes, the K70 captures it all with striking quality. The camera setup also includes a depth sensor for portrait effects and a macro sensor for close-up photography, enabling users to explore creative photography styles with ease. On the front, a high-resolution selfie camera ensures your photos and video calls are crisp and vibrant. Powering all of this is a robust 5000 mAh battery, more than enough to last through a full day of heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, 66W Honor SuperCharge support ensures your phone is ready to go in minutes, charging up to 50% in just under 20 minutes. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or a mobile worker, battery anxiety is a thing of the past with the Honor K70. Running on MagicOS 8.0, based on Android 14, the software experience on the K70 is fluid, smart, and intuitive. MagicOS introduces new gesture navigation, customizable themes, advanced multitasking windows, and seamless cross-device connectivity with Honor laptops and tablets. With a focus on privacy and performance, the K70 ensures your data is secure while giving you full control over your digital experience. From a design standpoint, the Honor K70 is sleek and modern, featuring a slim profile with flagship-grade build materials that feel as good as they look. The polished frame, glossy or matte back options, and minimalist camera module give the phone a premium aesthetic that easily turns heads. In summary, the Honor K70 is a mid-range smartphone that punches well above its weight, offering flagship-level performance, a stunning display, advanced camera capabilities, and ultra-fast charging, all wrapped in a stylish design. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and good-looking smartphone without breaking the bank, the Honor K70 is one of the smartest choices you can make in 2025.